Hello everybody and welcome to Saturday Storytime and Craft. My name is Mr. Kelvin and welcome back for another month's story. So, for this month, we have a story that's a little bit more interactive. So let's get ready for a book by Tom Fletcher called There's a Dragon in Your Book. And this is illustrated by Greg Abbott. Now, there's a dragon in our book? Well, let's see what this dragon's all about. Let's open it up. All right, here's our first page. Oh, look, there's an egg in your book. Look at that egg. It looks ready to hatch. Whatever you do, don't turn the page. Well, should we listen to the book? Well, I guess that's the end of our story. Wait, you actually say you want to turn the page? Well, all right. I'll know how the book is going to feel about that. So let's turn the page. Let's see what's going to happen. And look, there's a dragon. I can't believe you did that. The egg hatched, and now there's a dragon in your book. Well, don't be scared. It's a baby dragon. Go ahead and tickle her little nose. You see the little nose? See the dragon's little nose? Go ahead. Give that little dragon a tickle. There you go. Achoo! Whoa! Uh-oh, we made the dragon sneeze because we tickled her nose. Oops, the dragon accidentally sneezed a fire in your book. Well, we need to put it out immediately. All right? Fire is very dangerous. So help the dragon blow out the flame and turn the page. You see the fire? Here's the fire. See it right there? So we got to blow. Do you think it's helping? Oh no, your dragon didn't blow out the fire. She blew more fire. Oh my goodness. Careful. Cover the flames by turning the page and tamp it down. That should put them out. All right, let's turn the page and see if all these fire spots are going to go out. Let's turn it really quickly. It didn't work. They're getting bigger. Don't get too close. If only we could think of a way to put out this fire. What do you think might put out the fire? Can you think of anything that might do it? Let's see. Let's turn the page and find out. That's it. Let's use our imagination to put out the fire. Imagine a great big water balloon right in the middle of the next page. Make sure it's full and ready to pop. So go ahead and close your eyes, put on your thinking caps, and think of a big water balloon full of water. Got it in your mind? Then let's turn the page. Perfect. Now, use your finger to pop the balloon and get ready for the... All right, here's the balloon. We've got to use our finger to pop it. So take your one little finger and... Boop. Let's see what happens. Swoosh. Whoa, look at all that water. Do you think that's going to put out the fire? Let's see. Hooray! You put out the fire. Now give the dragon a high five. You see that dragon right there? Go ahead, take out your hand and give that a high five. Very nice. Kind of looked like I hit it. I promise I didn't. Now, you have a great imagination, and dragon must be a little hungry now. Why don't you use your imagination again and think up a yummy treat for her? How about a triple scoop of yummy, ice cold chocolate and strawberry? What do you think it is? It's something sweet? It's something yummy? It might be something ice cold. What do you think it might be? Ice cream! That's right, with sprinkles, mind you. That means it's special. Wow, that looks delicious. Look at all that ice cream. Yum. Oh. Uh-oh. Ooh, look at that dragon. Well, the dragon must be tired after all that adventure. Ooh. I think it's time for her to fly home. Oh, but she's probably very full. She's going to need some help taking off. She's so full she can't even use her little baby dragon wings to fly. So what I want you to do is flap your arms to help the little dragon flap its little dragon wings so that she can go and fly. So can you flap your arms? So let me put the book down. We're going to flap our arms together. Give your arms together, like so. Yes, we're going to flap. Come on. Flap, 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 flap. Let's see if that's going to help. Yes! Good! There she goes! Let's all wave goodbye to the dragon. Goodbye, dragon! Bye! Wave goodbye and turn the... Wait, hang on a second. What's this? Look! More eggs! Whatever you do, don't turn the page. What do you think? Should we turn the page? Let's turn the page and see what happens. Uh-oh. I think it's time to close the book very carefully. Look at all those little dragons who hatch right about those eggs. And that is the end of our story. There's a dragon in your book. So you did a very good job at listening, and thank you for interacting with me throughout the story. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to transition into our craft portion. So I'll see you soon. Thanks again for listening. I'll see you later. Okay. Alrighty, everybody, and welcome to the craft portion of our program. Now, inside of your kit, you should be able to see the pieces of the dragon that we're going to be making. So we have the head of our dragon with the ears. We're going to have the dragon wings. We're going to have the hands and the feet, hands and feet. And we are going to have the body of our dragon and the tail of our dragon. Now, these are all going to be things we're going to cut out. So make sure that you get a pair of scissors for this, okay? In addition, we're going to have watercolor for the coloring aspect and glue sticks. All right, very cool. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we?
Okay, so the first thing that I'd actually recommend you do is actually start painting the pieces first. And you can paint your dragon whatever color you want. I'm going to paint my dragon red. And so for every piece that you have here, go ahead and just take your time and to color each one of them. It'll make it a little bit easier for us once it actually comes to the gluing portion, because you won't have to put water on something you've already glued that might affect how the pieces stick with each other. So pick a color. What color do you want your dragon to be? Do you want it to be fiery red? Do you want it to be green like the book? Or do you want it to be pink? I don't know. Whatever color suits you. And of course, you gotta make sure you get the belly too. Yes. But yeah, I like the color red. It's a very warm color, and I don't know, it's very ferocious. Yes, so I can't wait to see what colors you choose. So first we're going to do the body, and then after the body, you can start moving on to the head. And after the head, you can start working on the feet and the hands. And last but not least, make sure you do your dragon wings. Our dragon's got to be able to fly, right? Alright, now once your pieces have dried, go ahead and start cutting out each individual one. I recommend going in the same order that you started painting them in, so that it'll the first one that you started painting should be drier now than the most recent one you did. Take your time, be careful, and just enjoy the process. Alright, now it's time to put all of our pieces together. So, first get your glue stick out, and we'll go ahead and start with the body and the head. So, right about near the first line of where the belly is, go ahead and put some glue there. There we go. Those like first 2 lines there. Put some glue at the bottom of the head, and then we will put the head right about there, nice and carefully. Good. Very nice. Make sure it's pressed down nice and well. The next thing that we're going to put some glue on are the ears. So first, put some glue on the back of the head where you'd like to start. Then find the appropriate ear and put glue on the front of that. Then attach the ear, that front part of the ear, to the back of the dragon's head. Then we have the ear. Then repeat for the opposite side. Or we'll go ahead and add some glue to the front of the ear first. Then flip over the dragon. Put some glue on the back of the head. Place the ear where you place the glue on the back of the head. Good. Press it down. And there you have it. Your dragon now has ears. Next, we'll work on the tail. Put some glue on the front part of the tail. Then put some glue on the bottom part of the dragon on the back. Then place the tail where you have the glue. Press it down very nicely. And good. Now your dragon has a tail. Next, we will put some glue on the front part of the dragon's wings. Then some glue on the back part of the dragon where we'd like our wings to get attached to. Attach the front part of the wing to the back side of the dragon, like so. And just like that, we've got ourselves our first dragon wing. Repeat the process. Put some glue on the front part of the dragon wing. Good. Then put some glue on the back side of the dragon. Place the dragon wing down. Make sure it's all attached nicely. And very good, your dragon has wings. Now, let's go ahead and put some glue on the back of one of your hands. Well, one of the dragon hands rather, not your own hand. Good. And then put some glue on the front side of the dragon. And place the hand right about there. Very nice. Repeat the process. Put some glue on the front part of the dragon. Then put that glue on the back side of that hand and place it down right there. We're almost done. We'll go ahead and put some glue on the feet. We'll also put some glue on the front part of the dragon near the bottom. And then attach it like so. And after that, you just repeat the process with the other foot. And then you'll be done with your dragon. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for coming to this month's Saturday Storytime and Craft. I hope you had a lot of fun, and I hope to see you next time we do our program. And I hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you for interacting with it. After you put that foot on, go ahead and admire your work. And feel free yet again to share if you have your work completed. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, everybody.